The Inspector General Police, Ibrahim Idris, has been put on notice to appear before an Ilorin High Court on Wednesday next week to justify the continued detention of Lekon Alabi, the personal assistant to the Kwara State Governor Abdul Fattah Ahmed. Alabi was arrested on April 5, 2018 in connection with the multiple bank robbery attack in Offa. Our correspondent Lukman Oyedeji has details in his report presented from our studios.
Lead counsel to the suspect, Adelodun Ibrahim, a senior advocate of Nigeria, regretted the failure of the police to release another suspect over the same incident. Babatunde Abdul Wahab, the chief of staff to the governor, who has been granted bail by another high court in the state. Adelodun, in an interview with journalists in his office, noted that the refusal of the police to obey the court order on Abdul Wahab is worrisome, as it portends grave danger to the deepening of democracy and might lead to a loss of confidence in the fairness of the police to handle such case among the populace.
What is strange and what precipitated our action was the continued detention of the chief of staff without trial, without being arraigned before any court. That is an aberration, considering the the provisions of the Constitution, that if any man is arrested upon any allegation at all, that person should be taken before the court as soon as possible. 24 hours if there's a court near, 48 hours if the court is not too near. So, in the face of the prolonged incarceration of the chief of staff, we went to court to enforce the fundamental rights of the chief of staff.
The police were not represented at the proceeding, although Adelodun told the court they had been served all the processes related to the case. The case has been transferred to a Ilorin court following the refusal of a federal high court in Abuja to hear it, as the alleged crime was committed in Kwara State.
The personal assistant to the governor's matter came up for the first time in court today, and acting upon clear provisions of the fundamental rights enforcement rules, we sought leave ex parte. We sought bail ex parte. It's allowed by the rules. But the court, his lordship was of the considered opinion that the respondent must be put on notice. So we had no choice but to go with the court's order.